Combine a docking station with a stand. How good is your laptop really? Firstly, the height adjustable stand. The back panel is hollowed out. Better heat dissipation. Boost the performance of your laptop. Only one cable required. Expand your laptop with up to 11 ports. Tow C3 port. Meet your need for fast transfer of all kinds of files. It can also be easily connected to a variety of peripherals, such as keyboards and mice. TF, SD memory card plug entry, HDMI port support for cable protection. Make you more productive. There are also direct network ports. 100 watts PD fast charging port. Plug it in and it powers your laptop. It's really handy to have this stand for your laptop.